A 2.1% correction in NEAR is likely by July 7, according to Gov Capital Collector. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. NEAR's price is up 2.6% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently at around $1.993. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector anticipates a drop toward $1.944, which would mean a decrease of about 2.1%. CoinDataFlow believes NEAR may drift toward $1.96. That's a decrease of about 1.4%. According to CoinCodex, it may edge lower toward $1.978, an estimated loss near 0.4%. Another prediction by Digital Coin Price expects NEAR may climb to $1.995, roughly 0.4% above now. And to wrap up, crypto prediction sees the asset reaching $2.047 by July 7 with 3% upside. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decrease of 2.1% and a rise of 3%, depending on the analyst. So in the end, Crypto Predictions has the top forecast with 3% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could see a return of between $4 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most likely price change, with a 97.5% probability. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. The consensus target keeps NEAR at approximately $1.985. Here's what it looks like up close. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to decrease by 0.1% by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. In terms of 1,000, the scenario could translate into $1 more. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for NEAR is placed at roughly 97.9%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. Gov Capital Collector expects NEAR to decline steadily. CoinDataFlow signals the price is moving on to higher ground. CoinCodex points to further weakness. Digital Coin Price suggests the direction is clearly higher. Likewise, Crypto Predictions sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. Consensus projections point to NEAR holding steady without clear direction. In conclusion, 60% of analysts lean toward a bullish scenario, suggesting NEAR may move higher. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Let's compare them with the actual numbers. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $2.017. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from Crypto Predictions. Now let's break it all down. All predictions matched the actual trading range. In terms of ROI, every forecast was positive, and Digital Coin Price led overall. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. CoinDataFlow posted accuracy and 2.3% ROI, with 94.5% forecast probability. See if you can tell who predicted it most precisely. Here's how NEAR measures up against the forecasted gains for tomorrow across other cryptocurrencies. The highest potential return goes to Fetch with 3.3%, while NEAR stays below the leader. Here you can see NEAR compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. We've reached the end. If this saved you some research time, don't forget to leave a like. Talk to you soon.